Welcome to the first episode of cooking. Now we're going to do some expired eggs. So what you want to do is you want to take a frying pan, like any size. You can do a mini one, you can do a big one, you can do a gay one, you can do pretty much anything. And if you want to slap that bad boy on like a good heat, I would say max. And you just take some oil and you just fucking good. This is starting to heat up. What you want to do when this is started heating up, what you want to do is you want to take the first egg and you just want to like kabam. You just want to like kabam. Good. That's the first egg. And you want this to kind of sear for a couple seconds. Not really do anything. You know, eggs they heat up pretty quickly. You can see that here. What you want to do actually is grab the second egg. You want to grab the second egg. You just want to like kabam. You just kind of throw it in there. It's fine. The pieces add a consistency that you'll learn to appreciate. And once you kind of started doing that and it started heating up, you can see it's getting real nice here. What you actually want to do is you want to turn it off. Turn off everything. Move it here, and you want to grab the last egg, and you want to go outside. I only have a balcony, so I'll go there. So what you want to do is once you get outside, it's pretty dark because it's approaching winter times. So you just want to take the little egg and just want to fucking throw it. You just want to fucking go away. Yeah, that's about it. That's how you cook expired eggs. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed this experience. And now all your friends can taste what you made. And it's truly something to appreciate. So yeah.